Before going to the main file, we have to install the Windows Azure SDK from the Microsoft website. After we install, we have to start the Windows Azure Compute emulator first. By clicking the start button, all programs, Windows Azure, right click the Windows Azure storage emulator and click open. It will show a command prompt window. It will show starting the storage emulator. After the storage emulator has been started, you have to start the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate as run as administrator. The storage emulator should be started. It will show in the notification icon as the storage emulator has been started. After the Visual Studio has been opened, you have to open the source file from the project code we have developed. Still it didn't show the notification icon, so we were waiting. Now it shows that the Windows symbol. It means that Windows Azure has been started. Now we have to open the project file in the Windows Azure stored folder. Clicking file, open the location where you have stored the project file, cloud auditing, Windows Azure 1, and in the final the Visual Studio file, Visual Studio Azure 1. Now it shows Windows Azure emulator is started in that notification icon tray. Now the project is loading. There are two parts. The first part has been loaded and the second part, WebRoll 1, has been loading now. After the project has been loaded, on the right side Solution Explorer there is a window. You have to click that and check whether the project has been completely loaded or is there any error. The Windows Azure 1 column should be in a black, or else the project will not run, or there may be any mismatch will happen. Click on that login.aspx. This is the home page of our project. By clicking the debugging button or that play button green symbol on the above, the project will start to debugging. There should be no errors. If there is any warning, we can neglect that, but there should be no errors. Now it is initializing the web roles that are required to show our project on the browser. Now it is merging with the Windows Azure Compute emulator. Now the application in the Windows Azure Compute emulator has been started. That was required by our project. If you click the don't show this dialog box again, means it will don't show what are the process happening in the background. It will straight away go to the execution of our project. You have to wait for a few seconds until the project has been completely loaded. You should not click any other buttons. You must have any browser, maybe a Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. Which one you have set as a default one, that browser will get open. And this is the home page of our project. Here note that the IP address is 127.0.1.81/login.aspx. There we debugging the login.aspx page, right? So the home page has been opened. If there is an existing user, means he can give this email ID and password. If he is a new user, means you have to click the new user button. Here the new user have to fill the required details asked by the home page. Here the email ID, name, mobile number, designation, password, retype password, All details have to be given, and after you give all details, you have to click that register button. For example, give email ID as cloudexplore@gmail.com. And in the name column gives as an example as Shakti, and mobile number as any one number, and designation as staff, student, or any other professional. And give a password character. The password character should have a minimum of 6 characters. After clicking the register button, the page will be loaded. It will show registration successful. Verification email has been sent to your email and verify your account to continue. Until you verify your account, you cannot log in with the ID that you have created now. Now going to the Gmail account that was given in the registration page, giving the username same as the cloudexplore@gmail.com, giving the password. Now we're gonna check whether we got a mail or not. Yeah, we got the mail verification link by MyCloud, which means the verification link will be sent from MyCloud to the user who has given their email ID as an email ID in the new user page. Here we got the details about the name. Hi Shakti, welcome to our world of new opportunities, Config Cloud. Click here to verify our Config account. By clicking that, you go to your back to the home page. Thank you for verifying your email ID. Login to continue. By clicking the login to continue email ID, you become the existing user. From that, you can give your same email ID as Cloud Explorer and give your password that you have been given, and you can click login. Now you got your personal home page. Here you have a lot of details about the cloud computing and about our multi-cloud. And here there may be 5 tabs: dashboard, file upload, file download, file alert, logout. By clicking the file upload, you can upload any file into the Config Cloud. This is very a security cloud. Choose file. You have to click the tab choose file. It will show the files available in your computer. You can browse through any files, but that should be a PDF file or a text file, because this is just a simulation project and this is Azure is a free trial version. From that we can only upload the PDF and Word files. We cannot upload any images or video files. Now the file has been uploaded. Thank you. Your file uploaded successfully. It should be come, then only your file got uploaded. If it shows any error, means maybe you choose a wrong format file or any error may occur. Now the uploaded file is showing in the available files that can be downloaded. Now the file alert has a 0 count. In file download, by clicking that, you can download the file. It will show file size, file name, uploaded on, date, day, timing. Now using the base 64 encryption algorithm, the uploaded file has been converted into a encryption format, and using the hash key algorithm, it will be split into 3 parts. Each part has a unique hash value and a unique key, secret key will be generated for each file uploaded by the user. By giving that secret key to read, you can decrypt at the same time. You can read and you can take necessary details. If you need to download, means you can click download. In order to download, you have to accept that pop-up blocked icon. By clicking that done, then only you can download. Here we already did it, so there is no. By clicking start, the file download has been started. Now here the file has been downloaded successfully. The file downloaded in the desktop of our system. Now the registered user is logging out, and we now going to the administration page. For that, just put admin before the login of the IP address, and the administration page will get open. Here the username is cloud1 and the password is cloud123. By giving the sign in, you go to the administrator account where who are all the users signed in, and who are all the verified users, and the verified it should be so yes, then only you can log in. If it is no, means you cannot log in. Here the server can upload any files, the same file uploaded by the user, server also can upload. In all files which users uploaded, which files will be shown to the server. If the server wishes to download a file of his user, he will try to access that file. Now it will show the secret key, because this is a public generated key. It will show to the both administrator and the user. Now he is giving that key and trying to download. Let's see what happened. It shows file block has occurred, which means server cannot download the file uploaded by the user. This is a much secured one. And now the server got logged out and he moved to somewhere. After some days or some time, the user is logging again to check his files or upload his file or for any purpose. You have to check the file alert. Now it shows the count as 1. Before we see it as 0, now we has 1, because the server tried to access our file. Here the status is blocked because he cannot check. Another status is unlocked. By clicking that, file unblocked. From that, the server itself cannot download the file uploaded by the user.